going to show you how to do a magic knot. This is a really great knot to use to tie two pieces of yarn together. You may run out of yarn, or you might be using odds and sods. So I'm using two different colors here just so you can see how it works. So you start here by bringing your bottom yarn underneath the top yarn, and you bring it over to the left over both pieces of yarn, and then underneath the yarn closest to you, and you make a little loop there. And I'm not going to tighten that up yet. And then on this side, you bring your top yarn over top the bottom yarn, and then to the left underneath both yarns, and pull that through, and then bring it through the top of the top yarn there. And you can see how you have two opposing knots. So you're gonna snug this up really tight like that, and snug this one up really tight like that. And then you're just gonna pull the two knots together and make sure that's nice and snug. And then you just cut off your tails, making sure to cut off your tails and not the yarn you just connected. So you cut it really close, and this will hold. It looks like it might not, but it will. And there you go. And now those two pieces are joined, and that will crochet in and you won't even see it. So there you go.